This app will help you to translate texts from voice to written text. Download the app and start using it. What you have to do is first to have a blank sheet of paper. Click on speech to text. Now at the bottom you have a microphone symbol. Click and hit allow. Now put an audio of your choice and it will convert it to text, for example. Now if you want to paste it into another document, click on the bottom in the copy box. In the share button you can send it to your friends or acquaintances. Now if you want to create a new writing, click on the top of the sheet with more. Click on save. And OK. Now you can create a new text. Also in this button you can see what you have previously recorded. With speech-to-text software, you can increase the efficiency of your organization by speeding up your workflow. You can use it for your presentations, documentation, etc. that would otherwise be time-consuming to write by hand.